In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Airbnb account. We'll walk through the process on the official website and make sure you know exactly what to expect. Deleting your account is permanent. That means your profile, listings, reviews, messages, and account history will be removed and you won't be able to sign back in to recover them later. If you only want to step away temporarily, deactivation is different. But in this walkthrough, we're focusing on a full, permanent deletion. First, open your web browser and go to Airbnb.com. This works best on the desktop site, but the steps are similar on mobile web. Sign into your account using your usual login method. You'll need to be logged in to access the settings that control your data and privacy. Once you're signed in, look to the top right of the page for your profile photo or the menu icon. Click that to open your account menu. From there, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the place where all your personal and security preferences live. Inside Account Settings, find and click the Privacy section. This is where Airbnb groups tools related to your personal information, downloads, and account control. Within Privacy, look for the Data Privacy area. Here you'll see the option to delete your account. Click that to begin the deletion flow. You'll be asked to select your country. This helps Airbnb apply the correct privacy rules and ensures your request is handled in line with local regulations. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a reason for leaving. Pick the option that best fits your situation. This feedback helps Airbnb understand why people close accounts, but your choice doesn't affect the outcome of your request. After that, click Next. You'll see a final confirmation screen. Review it carefully because this is the point of no return. When you're ready, click Delete Account to confirm. Airbnb may sign you out immediately and send you a confirmation email. In many cases, the account is deactivated right away and then permanently deleted after processing. Keep in mind, some minimal information might be retained if required by law, but you won't be able to access the account again. Before you start this process, it's wise to consider any upcoming trips, hosting reservations, or pending payouts, because deletion can impact those. If you need receipts or tax documents, download them in advance from your account. Once the deletion is complete, you'll need to create a new profile from scratch if you decide to return in the future. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Airbnb account.